All right, so Valentine's Day is right around the corner. Well, Friday, February 14 to be exact. So have you decided on a gift yet? Or maybe you don't decide what you're going to give me. But maybe what we are about to show you will help. We've got from Crafty Little Things. Lots of stuff here. And Trezawnah Gordon is here. I pronounced it right, no?
Yes, Trezawnah.
Good morning. Welcome to Smile Jamaica.
Thanks for having me.
Tell me about Crafty Little Things.
Well, Crafty Little Things is a craft business, as the name suggests. I do pop-up boxes, pop-up cards, so these are like explosion boxes, and I basically do them for any occasion. So a birthday, wedding anniversary, bridal shower, whatever it is, Valentine's Day coming up, perfect opportunity. We have one right here. So yeah, it's really just a craft business, and I explore craft as much as I like.
But I
to.
noticed that almost everything I'm looking at here now is paper.
Yes, it's paper-based for now.
Paper-based?
Yes.
Or does that mean it's paper or is paper? What is paper-based as opposed to just paper?
As in, I use paper as a foundation for most of the creations, and then I'll add other medium to it. So, like in this case, you have the rose, the chocolate, right? And then I do a lot of origami as well. So I can maybe show you right here.
Yeah, please.
Right here, and you open up, you'll see it's kind of different, right?
Okay.
The one at the front right here, same thing. Pull it down.
It's beautifully done.
Thank you.
How long would something like this take, and where does the idea come from?
Maybe less than a day. I can get it done in less than a day. And really, I've always been somebody who's into craft and arts. So I think maybe 2 or 3 years ago, I watched this video with this couple, and I saw the husband giving his wife something like this for his anniversary, and I was like, I can do that. And that's basically how I started doing this.
Do you have a physical space where you sell stuff, or you're online?
Online.
Okay.
So Crafty Little Things JA.
All that's coming up there,
Yes,
that's
yes,
your stuff?
Yes.
And again, this would just come straight from your head.
Yeah, basically,
this way.
yeah.
Yeah. So I could get anything I want in the box?
Anything. So like this one has like a section, sorry, let me just open up real quick.
Me don't like opening.
Okay.
I would want to open it and feel nice and open this pretty box
Yeah,
here.
so pull it up.
Pull it up so,
here, yes.
and then I come up with it, and it opens right out.
Right.
And then there's another box
exactly.
inside.
And this is where like you can put jewelry. So
see the box inside.
You have a
and
little jewelry thing,
there.
right?
Why you bring
right
so
there.
much stuff for me? Why? Look at all this beautiful
See,
stuff.
listen, I thought about you and I was like, listen.
Oh man, this is so much fun.
Yes.
It says you're amazing. It says love. I've fallen in love many times, always with you. I've got to lift it up so everybody can see this.
You can. And
this
you have like pull-out cards right here.
Yeah,
so you know.
it's not when drop off. So I just take off the top. Everett, you my brother? So it says, I love you. This is amazing.
Oh, thank you.
And it says, you are amazing. Around here, you can see you are amazing right there. And then around here says, I fell in love with you because you loved me when I couldn't love myself. Love truly is blind, and I'm ever so grateful for yours. So he's a poet too, and you never know it.
A little bit.
So you come up with all of these?
Not all, no.
So I'm giving you credit for nothing at all?
Some of it is me though.
Yeah, fine. So what would you sell something like this for? This because this is so meticulous. It's plenty work, this.
It is, but I actually enjoy doing it. So, you know, the prices start around 4,000 and it goes up, depends on what you want. So, you know, if you want chocolate and roses.
Something fancy like this.
Exactly.
This is nice.
Yeah.
I like that. Whew. So how can you be found?
Well, you can find me DMs at Crafty Little Things JA on Instagram, or you can contact me, phone number 503-8437.
Yeah. I've already asked if you had a physical space, and you've already answered.
Yes, sir.
Is there anywhere that these can be had, in a store or anything, or just strictly
not
online?
yet, but I'm working on that.
Okay.
I'm working on that.
And are you also planning to have your own space?
In the long term, I would hope I can do that. But at the moment, online, then, you know, get it into a few shops and then see where it goes from there.
It's beautifully done.
Thank
what about
you.
lead up time? So
Oh yes. So I usually ask persons for 2 weeks, but then there's express. So person will come 2 days before, 3 days before their event, and they want one, and I'll do it. At a little extra cost, but yes.
What about same day service?
It's possible, but I'd
And that
rather
would be
a
kind
little
of
extra.
compromising your quality also because you have to hurry up and put things together.
Yes. So I'd rather have the time to really
Fantastic.
put it in.
All right, tell me again. It's on
On Instagram, Crafted Little Things JA,
Yep.
and phone number 503-8437.
Fantastic. I like it.
Thank you.
I like it. Seems like it.
And in addition to that, we also do cards, so you can, any card that's in here, we do that separately. So pop-up cards, just the same.
Beautiful.
Yes.
Fantastic. There you go.
Okay.
Trezawnah Gordon of Crafty Little Things. All right, folks. Up next, celebrating Reggae Month with Jaria. Stay with us. We'll soon come back.